Are you planning a bathroom renovation in 2026? Before you start picking out tiles or fixtures, there's something you need to know. Bathrooms are one of the most expensive rooms to remodel, and also the easiest place to make design mistakes that you'll regret later. From choosing the wrong materials to forgetting essential details like lighting and ventilation, these errors can cost you money, comfort, and even lower your home's value. In this video, I'll share the 7 biggest bathroom design mistakes you must avoid in 2026. And more importantly, I'll give you smart, practical solutions so your bathroom isn't just beautiful, but also functional and built to last. Whether you're dreaming of a spa-like retreat or a sleek modern space, these tips will help you design a bathroom that feels timeless, practical, and perfect for your lifestyle. Mistake 1: Ignoring proper lighting. One of the most common bathroom design mistakes is overlooking lighting. Too many people rely on a single overhead fixture, thinking it will do the job. The result? A flat, shadowy, and unflattering space where tasks like shaving, applying makeup, or even just relaxing in the evening become frustrating. Why it's a problem? Bathrooms are high-use spaces, and poor lighting doesn't just affect how the room looks, it affects how it feels and functions. A single bright ceiling light can cast harsh shadows, while dim lighting can make the room feel smaller and less inviting. The smart fix for 2026. Layer your lighting. Use 3 types. Ambient lighting for overall brightness. Task lighting around mirrors for grooming. Accent lighting like LED strips under vanities or wall sconces for a spa-like atmosphere. Think of natural light. If possible, incorporate a window, skylight, or frosted glass panel for a soft, natural glow. Use dimmers. This allows you to adjust brightness depending on the time of day, energizing light in the morning, softer tones at night. Example: imagine stepping into a bathroom with warm sconces on either side of the mirror, an LED strip under the vanity for a floating effect, and a dimmable ceiling light overhead. Suddenly, the space feels both functional and luxurious, perfect for daily routines and relaxation. Mistake 2: Choosing the wrong materials. Another costly mistake is selecting materials that look good in showrooms but don't hold up in a real bathroom. Bathrooms are exposed to constant moisture, heat, and heavy daily use, so the wrong choice can lead to warping, staining, or even safety hazards. Why it's a problem? Porous stones like untreated marble absorb water and stain easily. Glossy tiles may look chic but become slippery when wet. Cheap laminates or wood veneers swell and peel in humid conditions. The smart fix for 2026. Go for durability. Choose materials designed for wet environments, like textured porcelain, sealed natural stone, or terrazzo. Slip resistance matters. Opt for matte finishes or textured flooring to reduce the risk of accidents. Seal it right. If you love natural stone, ensure it's sealed properly to prevent water absorption. Eco-friendly options. Recycled glass tiles or sustainable bamboo, treated for moisture, are on trend for 2026 and durable too. Example: instead of using glossy white marble tiles that stain and get slippery, you could go for large format textured porcelain slabs. They mimic the luxury of marble but are easier to maintain, safer, and much more budget-friendly in the long run. Mistake 3: Poor ventilation. One of the most overlooked aspects of bathroom design is proper ventilation. Many homeowners focus on looks, tiles, mirrors, or lighting, while forgetting that bathrooms are naturally humid spaces. Without good airflow, moisture builds up quickly. Why it's a problem? Excess moisture leads to mold and mildew growth, which damages walls, ceilings, and grout. Paint starts peeling, mirrors fog up constantly, and cabinets warp. It even creates health risks, especially for people with allergies or respiratory issues. The smart fix for 2026. Install a high-quality exhaust fan. Look for models with humidity sensors that automatically turn on when moisture rises. Ensure proper placement. A fan should vent outdoors, not just into the attic, to truly remove moisture. Natural ventilation. If your bathroom has a window, design with it in mind. Frosted glass or cleverly placed windows allow light and fresh air without compromising privacy. Dehumidifying extras. In luxury bathrooms, built-in air purifiers or dehumidifiers are becoming a trend in 2026. Example: imagine a bathroom with a sleek, silent exhaust fan paired with a frosted skylight that brings in daylight. Not only does it feel brighter and fresher, but it also stays mold-free for years, a practical upgrade that protects your investment. Mistake 4. Overcrowding the space. Another mistake that plagues small and even medium-sized bathrooms is trying to fit too much into the space. Many people want double vanities, oversized bathtubs, storage cabinets, and decorative accents all in one compact room. The result? A cluttered, cramped space that feels suffocating instead of relaxing. Why it's a problem? Overcrowding disrupts the flow of the bathroom. It makes cleaning harder and reduces functionality. A visually cluttered room feels smaller, no matter the square footage. The smart fix for 2026. Prioritize essentials. Ask yourself, do you really need a bathtub if you mostly shower? Is a double vanity necessary, or will a single one free up space? Go vertical. Floating vanities, tall storage towers, and recessed shelving maximize space without taking up floor area. Use smart storage. Built-in niches in showers, mirrored medicine cabinets, and under-sink organizers reduce clutter. Minimalist design. The trend for 2026 is clean, streamlined bathrooms with multifunctional pieces rather than cramming in every luxury item. Example: instead of squeezing in a bulky double vanity, a compact floating vanity with drawers, paired with a tall vertical cabinet, gives plenty of storage while keeping the room feeling open. Add a walk-in shower with a glass partition, and suddenly the bathroom looks twice as big. Mistake 5. Choosing the wrong materials. Bathrooms are one of the most high-moisture areas in any home, yet many homeowners still choose materials that simply aren't built to handle water, steam, and humidity. While a fabric wallpaper, untreated wood, or cheap laminates may look nice at first, they quickly deteriorate in a bathroom setting. Why it's a problem? Non-water resistant materials swell, warp, or peel when exposed to humidity. Mold and mildew grow easily on porous or poorly sealed surfaces. High-maintenance choices require constant cleaning or repairs, which becomes costly over time. The smart fix for 2026. Stick to water-resistant materials. Porcelain or ceramic tiles, natural stone, properly sealed, quartz countertops, and engineered woods designed for bathrooms are excellent picks. Upgrade grout. Epoxy grout resists stains and moisture better than traditional grout. Consider modern finishes. For example, waterproof vinyl flooring has come a long way. It now mimics natural wood or stone while staying durable and easy to maintain. Seal everything properly. Even the best materials won't last without proper sealing and waterproofing behind the walls and under tiles. Example: instead of using a wooden vanity top that will warp in a year, homeowners in 2026 are choosing quartz countertops with a subtle marble effect. It's elegant, modern, and built to withstand daily splashes without staining. Mistake 6. Bad lighting design. Lighting can make or break a bathroom, but it's one of the most common mistakes people make. Relying on a single overhead light creates shadows, makes grooming difficult, and often gives the bathroom a cold, uninviting feel. Why it's a problem? Harsh overhead lighting casts unflattering shadows, especially around the mirror. Poor lighting makes tasks like shaving, makeup application, or skincare frustrating. A dark or unevenly lit bathroom feels smaller and less luxurious. The smart fix for 2026. Layered lighting. Combine 3 types: ambient, general lighting, task, mirror/vanity lighting, and accent, to highlight features like niches or art. Vanity lighting. Install sconces on both sides of the mirror or backlit mirrors for even, shadow-free illumination. Warm light tones. Choose bulbs in the 2700K, 3000K range for a flattering, spa-like glow. Smart controls. Modern bathrooms in 2026 often include dimmers, motion sensors, and even app-based lighting systems for customized moods. Bright in the morning, soft and relaxing at night. Example. Imagine a bathroom with a backlit mirror, recessed ceiling lights, and a soft LED strip under the floating vanity. The space feels bright, functional, and luxurious, without a single harsh shadow. Mistake 7. Ignoring ventilation. One of the most overlooked yet critical aspects of bathroom design is proper ventilation. Many homeowners focus so much on the style, tiles, fixtures, and lighting, that they forget the functional systems that keep the bathroom fresh, healthy, and long-lasting. Why it's a problem? Without good airflow, moisture builds up quickly after showers or baths. This leads to mold and mildew growth, which not only damages surfaces but also creates health risks. Paint starts peeling, mirrors fog excessively, and even cabinets or vanities can swell and warp over time. Poor ventilation shortens the lifespan of your bathroom renovation investment. The smart fix for 2026. Install a powerful exhaust fan. Modern fans come with built-in humidity sensors and timers that automatically activate when moisture levels rise, ensuring your bathroom stays dry. Upgrade to quiet models. Newer designs run almost silently, so they don't disrupt the relaxing spa-like environment. Incorporate natural ventilation. If possible, add a window or skylight for natural airflow and daylight. This not only helps control humidity, but also makes the space feel more open. Think design forward. Ventilation no longer has to look utilitarian. In 2026, you can find stylish, minimalistic fan covers that blend seamlessly with modern ceilings. Example. Instead of a small, noisy exhaust fan tucked in a corner, imagine a smart humidity-sensing fan paired with a frosted window that allows natural light in. The bathroom stays fresh, the air feels crisp, and the surfaces stay in excellent condition for years. Designing a bathroom isn't just about making it look modern and stylish. It's about creating a space that's functional, durable, and comfortable for years to come. As we've seen, small mistakes like ignoring ventilation, sticking with outdated tile choices, or skipping smart storage can cost you both time and money down the road. The key to a successful bathroom in 2026 is balance, blending aesthetic beauty with practical solutions. Choose warmer finishes over sterile white, invest in smart fixtures instead of flashy fads, and always think long-term when it comes to materials and layout. If you're planning a remodel or even just a refresh, use these insights as your guide to avoid costly regrets and achieve a bathroom that feels timeless, fresh, and truly yours. Stay tuned for more interior design trends and tips. And don't forget, sometimes it's not just about what you add to a space, but what you avoid.